End of the day today. We've gotten the other HBX prototype put together. Did a custom shaping with a Dremel and a zip cutter, actually a 5-inch zip cutter of my G10 top plate template. That's a template for the actual design for the computer, and we're doing it in real world testing so that we don't just assume our measurements are correct, we check them. There's the Kevlar base, which is half as light as the carbon fiber and a bit more flexible and strong. It's still stiff, but on impact it doesn't crack the same as Kevlar or carbon fiber, because carbon fiber is brittle. The Kevlar is a much more resilient fiber. And we've got the T-motors on here now. Interesting fact here, the T-motor adapter head for the props is the exact same pattern as the FPV model. So if you have T-motors, and buy FPV model motors that are a similar size, and you will have interchangeable prop adapter tops. This one is bent, I think. I just remounted it to see if that helps, but I think that this one's bent or the shaft's bent. So I'm going to basically test this now, and the way I look for bent top adapters is I look at the quad while it's flying and look for the wobble in the tip of the spinner. That's why spinners rather than nuts can really help you, because you can see the wobble in the motor if the actual shaft is bent. So that's what was causing my jello on the epic ocean flights, not the PIDs so much. So it was the rear motor here that was wobbling, and it was at the same frequency most of the time. So I think I've tracked down the problem. Let's maiden this, see how it's going. I'm running my boards at 135 degrees adjusted, so they're a diamond pattern in the center, takes up less space. Might be something to think about, and we'll see how this runs now. Don't have any landing foam on it yet. Cut some landing foam legs soon. Try to bring it in closer. You can see that rear motor mount. The rear motor spinning. From here it seems to be doing a little bit better now, but you really have to get at eye level to check it. Maybe I'll slow down this video and look, but we're looking at the right rear motor, the clockwise motor. See if it's wobbling on the spinner. Look very carefully. You can see the others aren't wobbling, despite their difference. My yellow light is turned off. Mounting it has helped a lot. So you might, after a crash, you might want to remount those prop adapters with the spinners or the nuts on the top of your motors. You may just be pulling one of the screws of the 4 screws that holds it on an angle, so the shaft's not bent, but actually the adapter is just shifted, causing you a lot of jello. Park it just for a second. See why that yellow light's not on here. Hold on. There we go, I've got the yellow light working now. Here we go, back to the maiden. I like that single strobe. 600 milliwatt transmitter boss cam on there, metal case, reinforced SMA connection. Acro. Oh. A little windy out today. Well, quad number 2 is ready for action. I just have to fix my Mobius or get a GoPro 4, I guess. These are 2206 motors that can definitely carry a GoPro. These are 2000 kV, so I can put 6-inch props on them.